Have you ever thought about checking the list of ingredients in the toothpaste you use every day? They have chemicals, foaming agents, preservatives, and some ingredients we can't even pronounce. We don't even know what they are. If you're looking for something natural, homemade, and want to know exactly what ingredients are in what you choose to use, I want to share with you one of my greatest successes: how to make homemade and natural toothpaste. Do you know why it was one of my biggest successes? Because it's great. It cleans you, disinfects you, leaves your breath very fresh, and above all, whitens your teeth in a natural way. Of course, we live here in Capilla del Monte, where the water has a lot of limescale. It's hard water, and it tends to stain your teeth a lot, especially for those who drink as much mate as us. And it happened to me that I was worried, so we started using these toothpastes a lot, no matter what. And well, it gets better, but I would say almost 100% the natural whiteness of the tooth, right? Well, now we're used to seeing super white, super perfect teeth, but you know, those have some treatments that aren't so natural, right? With veneers and with pastes they put on the tooth, but the tooth itself, on its own, achieving a natural white through a natural cleaning is harder to see. And well, what I want to share with you today is my paste, my formula, which is based on the ancient about Ayurveda's wise people. This paste will not only whiten naturally, as I mentioned, but it also cleans gently yet deeply, disinfects, is antibacterial, and protects your gums. I used this formula for years. I've shared it several times, and today I want to reveal all its secrets to you. We're going to make two formulas, one for adults and one for children, but most importantly, I want to tell you why this paste is so good. And most importantly, I'm also going to share the science behind it, which shows that kaolin is not abrasive like many people think. The history of dental hygiene doesn't start with fluoride. More than 5,000 years ago, Ayurvedic medicine was already using the base of this recipe. For Ayurveda, oral health is the gateway to overall health. In the sacred texts of the Vedas, the importance of oral hygiene for the overall health of the body was already emphasized. They insisted on daily oral cleaning to prevent diseases and maintain the balance of the doshas, the vital energies. They understood that an imbalance in the mouth affects digestion and the entire body. The Ayurvedic sages did not use chemicals. They sought for the cleaning to be thorough and at the same time nourishing, and their method was based on dental powders. Dantayurna. They made pastes with fine minerals because what they were looking for was a gentle and tailored cleaning. Absorption of toxins. This is where they used clays or plant ashes, and they used bitter and astringent herbs for disinfecting and strengthening the gums. Of course, just like the ones we'll use. Clove, for example, because of its eugenol, has great analgesic, antiseptic, and powerful antifungal properties. We will also use tea tree, which is one of the great antiseptic purifiers, and eucalyptus, which is bactericidal, balsamic, and antifungal. This recipe we're going to make is an act of honoring this tradition. By using white clay as the mineral base and the powerful essential oils I just mentioned, clove, tea tree, and eucalyptus, we are practically replicating the Ayurvedic philosophy, achieving a healthy mouth by maintaining pH balance and gently removing impurities instead of using harsh chemicals. This is the path of purity and salinity. The success of this toothpaste lies in the synergy of its components. However, many people worry natural toothpaste could be harmful. In the case of my toothpaste, I usually receive many inquiries regarding kaolin clay and the fear of abrasion. However, science measures abrasiveness with the relative dentin abrasivity index. The good news is that kaolin clay is one of the gentlest natural abrasives. Kaolin is at the lower end of abrasiveness. Its mineral structure consists of fine soft particles. This allows it to clean plaque and coffee or tea stains through gentle friction without wearing down the enamel. This kaolin has a double action because on one hand it provides gentle polishing and on the other hand it has an absorption effect. Kaolin acts like a magnet, attracting and absorbing impurities and bacteria which cause things like bad breath and are key for oral detoxification. Its gentle friction doesn't damage the enamel and removes stains from the teeth, resulting in that natural and delicate whitening that doesn't compromise the integrity of the tooth. We also use coconut oil in the paste, which is rich in lauric acid. It has already been scientifically proven to be excellent for fighting Streptococcus mutans, the main bacteria associated with cavities. Also, the combination of tea tree and clove acts as a powerful inhibitor of bacterial growth, helping to deeply disinfect the mouth, which results in healthy gums and less gingivitis. And this recipe I'm going to share with you now is simple and very easy to make. Economical with salt. For the adult toothpaste, we are going to use 100 grams of white kaolin clay, here we have 35 grams of liquid vegetable glycerin, and here we are going to add it. Half a tablespoon of coconut oil. We're going to add the essential oils we're going to use to the coconut oil. I'm going to use 12 drops of eucalyptus, 6 drops of tea tree, and 6 clove drops. A splash of water. And I'm going to use a smaller one so I don't waste as much. I'm adding it little by little. And when it starts to dry out, I add water. I add the water very slowly. I want to avoid lumps and also dry. The texture I want for my toothpaste, I like it. Above all, that the oils mix well. It's turning out really well there. And now I beat vigorously. Very good. Because this is going to give it the texture. And now what we do is bottle it. Stay tuned as we prepare the kids' toothpaste recipe. Here we have about 130 grams of paste left, maybe a little more. Our toothpaste for adults is ready. Now we're going to make the one for kids. For this kids' toothpaste, we're going to make much less. Amount 35 grams of kaolin clay, 12 grams of vegetable glycerin. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, and here we're going to add the essential oils. How many will there be? I make grape for Noah because, well, she loves it, and honestly, it's an oil that kids really like. We use 4 drops. And we're just going to add 1 drop of clove oil. And 1 of tea tree. Oops, dropped another. That's fine, it's close enough. What I will say is, if you don't have clove or tea tree or any of those, just make it with whatever you have. The maximum is about 7 drops, maybe 8 drops. For the paste with this proportion, we will deliver it with the glycerin. And we add a tiny bit of water. And we start mixing. Now it's asking for more water. We beat it vigorously, just like the other one. If you see that your kids don't like it with cinnamon and cloves, just add the grape. That really motivates them to brush their teeth. And we already have plenty of cleaning agents. We already have the most important things, which are kaolin clay and coconut oil, so don't worry. Alright, and now we're going to package it. There's a little left over, but that's okay. We'll put it in another little jar. You use it the same way. Very good. Let's close it. Here it is, one for adults, one for children. How do you use it? Every time you're going to brush your teeth with a popsicle stick, for example, or a clean spoon, you put it like this on the toothbrush. Then you wash the spoon you used. We brush our teeth, and each time we're going to put more on. It always has to be with a new clean spoon, and never use a dirty spoon or one that has touched the toothbrush. And that's how we keep it spotless for months. You have no idea how long this toothpaste lasts. You can easily keep it right next to the bathroom sink. It will last you a long time. For kids, this amount lasts about a month or month and a half. It's about the same for a family of 5. Another thing you can do is reuse the one you're about to stop using, for example. So we cut it here, clean it really well, and put this cap on, and that's it. We're done. It's ready. We're going to take a little out so we can close the toothpaste. Now what I'm going to do is clean the edge really, really well. Clean it well there so it sticks with a candle. Alright, and we're done. That's how it would look. With a fun little pasta for kids. This toothpaste's ingredients and essential oils make it long-lasting, so it can sit by the bathroom sink for months. Family change begins with small decisions. This toothpaste is definitely an act of love for your body and your family, and it's a return to ancestral wisdom. And your mouth will surely thank you with a healthier, whiter smile. What did you think of these 2 recipes I just shared with you? Tell us in the comments. My name is Anaya Aguilar, and if you want to deepen your mind-body-spirit connection, I invite you to my other channel, Portal Coherencia. There, we explore neuroplasticity and meditation in depth as key tools to achieve greater well-being and balance. So, as we walk this path, let's learn to transform our lives and manifest what we dream of. I'm leaving you a direct link here so you can visit it. If this video inspired you to make toothpaste, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and leave me a comment telling me what you thought. I'll read your comments. Big hug. See you next time. Bye.